Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to design a billboard using AI. So I'm going to use two AI tools, ChatGPT and Meta AI. Now let's go. So I'm going to click on ChatGPT. So the first thing I'm going to do is to generate a prompt. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, okay, generate a prompt to design a billboard. Okay, let me use massive billboard standing at the center of a busy street, a busy road in Dubai, with a picture of a white lady holding an inscription Peter Obi for President 2027. Okay, I'm not going to do, let's generate the prompt, because what I needed to do first is to generate that prompt. So having generated this prompt, the system is okay. There are two things I can do here. Number one, I can decide to copy this prompt, you understand, and go to Meta AI to do it, or I can also want to see what ChatGPT can do. So watch what I'm going to do. First of all, I'm going to copy this because I want to go to Meta AI to generate. Let me go to Meta AI. So let me go to, okay, let's watch. The two things are happening right now. This is Meta AI with Llama 4. What I asked Meta AI to do is not exactly, so I may still ask it to do it again. Please correct the inscription to be exactly this. Watch what I want to write now. Peter Obi for President 2027. Let me see what it's going to give me. So I'm telling Meta, please, what you gave me is not good enough. You can give me something else. Why did I say it? So I've been able to. That's why you keep on guiding Meta. Look at the first thing it did. It's not good for me. I asked Meta, please do something better, and that's exactly what he has just done. Peter Obi for President 2027. This is exactly so good. You know, that's the prompt I gave. If I wanted to give something more, you know, tantalizing and all that, I would still be the one to say yes, design it, it's going to be 3D and whatever, and that's exactly what it will do. So one more time, you can decide to stop this video here, but what if we ask Meta, okay, make it like a 3D design? It's still going to see what it will give you, but it's exactly how to design a campaign billboard using AI. You get the prompt from ChatGPT, you can use Meta AI or Bing to generate your image. I will just stop here. We have a lot of tutorials on this, even on the channel. So if you are new to this channel, while you're looking for money, this is another way to make money. Please subscribe and get to follow us so that you will never miss out from these trainings. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.